We have labor challenges, both because the market ebbs and flows to such a great degree throughout the year, where you're basically doubling your packaging through the holidays. So the ability to be able to do that and run through the slow times of the summer with multiple shifts, this smooths all that out. With the new automation, we can run different packaging lines with the same labor needs. And so what that does long term is it allows you to staff at lower levels and not run risk. We're very flexible depending on different pack types. I'd say we're a more unique shed in what we pack every day. It's nuanced every day, and so the more consistent it can be labor need-wise from line to line, the easier it is for my production coordinators and managers to be able to move teams around and make it work. And they're interfacing the same machines every time. So the look and feel to operate the different lines, which is also a challenge as you're moving people around, they need to know how to run the line. It's going to be really similar. It's the same robot, it's the same palletizer. They're just setting recipes and they have the same expectations.
We recognize the need to continue our automation, to continue improving our processes. And so we've been looking for a couple of years at how to automate the bin filling process as one of our objectives, as well as to improve the quality and the stacking of our palletizing, and whether it's bales, boxes, or whatever we were trying to get on a pallet, and to integrate both of them together. And so we really felt if we could do that on one line and keep it within the footprint of room we had, that would be a huge benefit. We've been impressed with your team of people that you've had here for the installation and the design, and yeah, it's been a good team effort for sure.